Have you heard of black bean brownies? They taste even better than regular brownies, in my opinion, and they're more nutritious. You can make them using a few pantry staples, and you can eat as many as you want with no guilt. Trust me, you guys are gonna love these. So to make black bean brownies, you're gonna add to a blender 2 cans of rinsed black beans, 2/3 of a cup of honey, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a cup of melted coconut oil, 1 cup of cocoa powder, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Blend that on high for 45 to 60 seconds to make sure that all of the beans are well blended. You don't want any chunks of beans in these brownies. Add 2 eggs to the batter, and then blend it again for about 30 seconds until well combined. Toss in 2/3 of a cup of milk chocolate chips, and then mix them into the batter. Transfer the batter to a parchment paper lined 9x9 baking dish and spread it out evenly using a rubber spatula. A little trick to do this without the batter sticking to the spatula is to drizzle some olive oil on the spatula before you spread it. Sprinkle more chocolate chips on top and bake it in a 350-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know it's done if you insert a toothpick into the center and it comes out clean. Remove and let it cool for at least 15 minutes before cutting. You can serve them warm, but I personally enjoy how fudgy they get once they're refrigerated. I really hope you guys enjoyed this healthy dessert recipe. You can find this full recipe and all of the nutrition information on my blog, which is recipehippie.com, and I will link it in the description. Consider liking this video so you don't lose it and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!